sharing you a short clip of one of our wonderful moments in Florida. It's a beautiful day on our way to go to the beach and enjoying the scenic view of Gulf Island National Seashore from Navarre to Pensacola Beach. What a very relaxing drive plus a gorgeous sight. And an ocean breeze puts the mind at ease. Special thanks to Dale and Lisa for the recommendations and a very nice and welcoming accommodation. Now it's time to ride the waves, soak up the sun, breathe the salty air, collect seashells, rest, relax, reflect, and repeat. And don't forget to leave footprints of love and kindness wherever you go.